Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add cleaning solution to your eufy E25 robot vacuum and mop. If you're interested in the E25 or the cleaning solution, the link will be in the video description. So, first things first, we got to identify where on the station does the cleaning solution go. So, just easily and quickly grab that clean water tank and remove that. And you'll notice in here, you can see that right there, we have a spot for our eufy cleaning solution. And there's even a code on the back you can scan to get a how-to to install the eufy cleaning solution. So to make it simple and straightforward, but right there, you'll notice that spot, that's where this solution is going to go, just like so. You'll pop that in there. The only thing we have to do on the solution itself is they have a little cover that says tear off. So we just got to grab this cover just like so, have that removed, and then the eufy branding is going to face out. So just put it in, and then it just snaps right in place. Well, it should snap right in place. So there it is right there, right? So let me show you that. Line it up, put it right in, snaps in. So if you follow that, and then you just grab it to remove it, same thing, but in reverse. So just line it up in there, and then it'll snap right in. If you saw that, there you go. We'll try one more time just from the top. Maybe that'll help you too. But it'll be nice and firm in there. So line it up. And then it just snaps right in. And you'll take your clean water tank and you'll put that back on and you're all set and ready to go. You just swapped out and added in your eufy cleaning solution.